Hello guys. Once I came outside, I went to go on my go-kart. What is this? What is this, guys? What is this? Bird poop. Ew! Don't do that because you might get bird poop. Oh yeah, a fence fell down. Look at these. Just look at this. Look at this fence post. It's rubbish. We have to get a new fence post for it. Battlefield champion! I forgot what this was called. I think it was called or something. Yeah, that's disgusting. Okay, but I can't remember so far. I'm not sure why. Bugs poop. Buddy do a poo poo. Buddy do a poo poo. Yeah, buddy do a poo poo. Where are you going now? Oh, here are nice little flowers.
Do you remember in the last video, I ate cinnamon?
Yeah, but that was I recorded it. But then it was terrible because I had to delete the recording. It wasn't on YouTube. Yeah, he almost puked.
I guess.
Yeah, luckily I told my mum and dad. We done it at night, I think, like overnight.
Yeah, we did it.
Overnight.
Oh my god.
What?
My movie hoverboard.
Oh yeah, the hoverboards. Oh! Yeah, don't. I'm really good at football. Okay. Excuse Cameron. Okay, Mr. Cabot Dapper. Prompt. Oh! 1-0! 1-0! Yeah. 1. That counts as 1 billion nils. Spider pig. Whatever a spider pig does. Can he swing from a web? No, he can, because he's a pig. Watch out. Here comes Spider Pig. Just kidding, there's no such thing as Spider Pig. I just made it up from something. I'm going to clear up that bird poop. Because it's just disgusting. Disgusting. One time we done text something to our auntie, one of our aunties. We had 3 aunties. Cause
wait, what? Did you really put your middle finger?
No, I done this. I put 3. So we told them we text one of our aunties. Then we put poo, like poo, and she was trying not to laugh to it because we were actually distracting her from actually doing her personal things. So yeah. I literally ninja kicked that. I literally ninja kicked that. Booyah! I literally ninja kicked it. I actually ninja kicked it right off of the boat. Cameron, I literally ninja kicked. Oh. Yeah, I literally ninja kicked it.
I think these amazing things from bottle flip to bottle flip to bottle flip.
Yeah, that was crazy when I actually ninja kicked it. That was my first time.
To bottle flip it.
Yeah, I was like, my first time. Yeah, I think I left a dent in the bottle.
Oh no.
Yeah, probably. Some of you guys are impressed. Hey, get out of my sight, gun. Water gun. Water pistol. Come on, Cameron. Let's go outside.
Another life took away. Oh no! Oh yes.
Cameron.
Yes. Another life took away. No, another life took away.
Okay, guys. Luckily, this stupid rock fell from there onto me plants. They fell onto me plants, mate. They fell onto me plants.
They fell on the.
And this one was that man, the skinny man there, was broke by foot. Actually, I wanted to try and balance up there, but I have to learn how to balance. Duh. Okay, guys, I'll end this video here. Drop a like, or you don't have to. Drop a comment. Don't have to. Peace.